In this video, I want to illustrate default password lists. Now, it's really just as easy as that. Just imagine going to Google and saying, please find me all of the default password lists. And as of today, there's a whole lot of results. One of my favorite ones to go to is the default password list by phenoelit.org. Okay, it's very, very simple, very, very basic. Fits into a text file just nice for copying and pasting purposes, but always referenceable on their website. So I always like to give credit where credit's due. They've compiled this nice list from all the different vendors, the different models, the different versions for compatibility reasons, the access type in which you can connect to it, the default username, the default password, and different privileges or notes. Okay, so you can go through this and you can see there is quite a bit. If you just scroll all the way down, I mean, it really covers everything A to Z. So a default search on the internet is pretty easy to do. You can access information, basic information, just by knowing what to search for. And so that concludes default password lists. My name is Leo Dreger. Thank you for watching.